Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Mac OS version and getting Terminal open so you can run the correct flush command. Once Terminal is open, make sure you're using an administrator account because the commands require elevated privileges. If you're unsure of the Mac OS release, click the Apple menu and check about this Mac. Knowing the version determines the exact command syntax you'll use next. Now that Terminal is ready and you have admin access, move to the next step to run the flush command correctly. You'll now execute the system commands to clear DNS caches. For modern Mac OS, type sudo killall HUPM DNS responder and press enter. You will be prompted for your admin password. Type it even though nothing appears and press enter. For older releases, run sudo dscashutil flushcache as an additional step. Once done, the system will restart DNS services without rebooting. Make sure each command finishes before entering another, and keep Terminal open to observe any error messages, or after flushing, verify DNS behavior by running ping or dig against a hostname to confirm it resolves to the expected IP. If you still see old records, restart Wi-Fi or perform a full reboot to clear remaining caches. Make sure to check VPNs, proxy settings, or manually set DNS servers that can override system caches. If commands return permission denied, rerun with sudo or sign in as an admin. One key troubleshooting tip: disable third-party DNS apps temporarily to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.